back, artistic family. Today I'm doing a simple pearl pour test with a few new colors of blue and green that I'm using. I'm only using 3 colors, and if you understand color theory, guys, oftentimes you only have to use a few to create others, and you will see at the end of the video how I end up with 5 or 6 colors just because I'm using a white base and because I'm using a light shade of green and 2 different shades of blue. So I'm using my simple pearl cell recipe, my 1, 2, 3 simple mix, and I don't have a plan in my head for the design. I'm just testing out these colors to see what type of pearl cells I will get because all paints are reactive, and I've never used the Liquitex lime green or the Phthalo blue in a pearl pour. I have used cobalt and some other blues such as the aquamarine, which I'm using as well. So I'm just making these different swirl designs, which I often love doing. I just love curvy, wavy motions. It just comes natural to me. And the key, guys, is I'm looking for small, beautifully formed pearl cells. And all paints react differently, okay? But I have used a lot of blues and greens for my pearl cells because I do find that blues, more than anything, are very cell reactive for pearl cells. And I don't usually use blue in too many other pours to be able to say, but for my pearl pours, I can say that because I've used them so many times. I will link my pearl pour and testing playlist for you guys to take a look and follow my journey. All of my ingredients are only 2 to 3 ingredients for all of the different recipes that I've come up with. But for now, it can change. It is my simple 1, 2, 3 mix. Now the key to pearl cells, guys, to getting good formed pearl cells is making sure your base is very, very thin and that you stretch off as much paint as possible to the point where you're just seeing very slow drips. Here it's a little fast, but as it starts to slow down, as it is now, where barely anything is coming off. So some cells are coming in. I really like the ones that are starting to form, mainly in the blue area. And I'm going to finish torching this. And here we are with the close-up, my favorite gorgeous section. Them beautifully lime, yellow, green pearl cells are beautiful, absolutely stunning. And as you can see, the majority of them are in the blue area. And you'll see here I did get some different gradients of color just from having the white. And I love it. So if you guys do too, I would really appreciate if you can go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next pour.